स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome you all. So today's video is all about the changes in CAP round 2020. So there is a basic change with respect to the verification process, and this will be carried out through online mode because there will be no facilitation centers, and thus all the applications and documents will be verified through online mode, and that is through the e-scrutiny centers. So overall इस बार कोई भी facilitation centers नहीं होंगे, आपको एप्लीकेशन भी ऑनलाइन सबमिट करना है, देन आपको सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड करने हैं थ्रू दी ऑनलाइन मोड. सो आफ्टर अपलोडिंग द डॉक्यूमेंट्स द रिस्पेक्टिव स्क्रूटिनी सेंटर्स विल वेरीफाई इट. अगर आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स सारे करेक्ट हैं, देयर विल बी नो एरर, देन यू विल गेट द कंफर्मेशन विद रिसिप्ट कम एक्नॉलेजमेंट ऑन योर कैंडिडेट लॉगिन. And if there are some error with respect to the documents, then it will be returned to the candidates जहां आपको चेक करना है by login your account. So friends, आपके अकाउंट पर इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाएगी आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स either confirm हो चुके हैं or you have to again upload the documents. So the CET cell mentioned the list of all scrutiny centers. So you have to select the nearby location. So this is the complete list of all the colleges working as a scrutiny centers within the Maharashtra state. So there are centers from Amravati, Buldhana, Aurangabad, Nanded, from Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur, Solapur, Navi Mumbai, Thane. So this is the complete list. You can check and you can select as a scrutiny center for the verification process. And friends, note down, यहाँ आपको physically report नहीं करना है, only through the online mode. So friends, don't be panicked due to some changes in the recent CAP. Be steady, focused on each and every step in CAP round, concentrate and then accordingly start your movement and ease your admission process in the top college. So join CAP round program जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है. Just click on that link, add to cart and ease your admission process. So if you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. And to enroll CAP, call on 8828581455 or visit manuaredu.com, then select MHCET CAP round program. So friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates regarding CAP round process. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.